You are going to love the 2020 Santa Fe. This vehicle is powered by a 4-cylinder, 2.0-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 65,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: perimeter alarm, inside you'll find heads-up display, ventilated front seats, trip computer, power rear window sunshade, first aid kit, cargo tray, cargo net, tinted glass, carpeted floor mats, compass. Rediscover the joy of driving and turn everyday commutes into memorable journeys.